Hi, this is Mrs. Allen, and in this video we will be discussing measures of center. Measures of center provide information about the data based on central tendencies. The three measures of center that we are going to discuss are mean, median, and mode. The first measure of center that we are going to talk about is mode. Mode is the easiest to understand and shows where the biggest group lies. Mode is the score with the largest frequency. An easy way to remember mode is think about the word most. The number that appears the most amount of times will be the mode. In this example, we have 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. All of the numbers appear one time except for 4. 4 appears twice, so 4 will be the mode. In this example, we have 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5. 2 and 5 appear one time, while 3 and 4 appear twice. So this time we will have two modes, 3 and 4. In this example, we have 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. 2 appears one time, while 3, 4, and 5 all appear twice. So now we will have three modes, 3, 4, and 5. In this last example, we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. None of the numbers appear more than one time, so we will have no mode. Now, try to find the mode in these examples. Pause the video and find the mode. When you are finished, restart the video and check your answers. Number 1. In this example, all of the numbers appear one time except for 3 appears twice and 7 appears 3 times. Since 7 appears the most amount of times, it will be the mode. Number 2. In this example, no number appears more than one time, so we will have no mode. Number 3. 11 and 13 both appear twice, while all the other numbers appear once. So we will have two modes, 11 and 13. Number 4. 22 appears 3 times, while 23 appears twice, and all the other numbers appear once. Since 22 appears the most amount of times, it will be the mode. Number 5. 3, 6, and 7 all appear twice, while the other numbers are only once. So we will have three modes, 3, 6, and 7. The next measure of center that we are going to discuss is the mean. The mean is the arithmetic average of all the data values. It represents the mathematical center of the data. Looking at the mean formula, we can plug our information in and solve for the mean. This symbol right here, X bar, stands for mean. This next symbol, sigma x, stands for the sum of all of the x's. And we will divide that by n. N represents the total number of items that we have. Let's look at some examples. We will determine the mean by first listing the values of x. Second, we will add up all the values of x that we have. Third, we will determine the number of x's that we have. And 4, we will plug it into the formula and solve. Now, let's find the mean of this set of data. We have 2, 4, 7, 17, and 20. The first thing we need to do is add up all of our x's. 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 17 plus 20. This equals 50. So the sum of our x's is 50. Now we need to decide how many x's we have. N equals 5. We have 5 numbers that we added together. Now we can plug it into our mean formula and solve. We will plug 50 in for the sum of the x's and 5 in for n. 50 divided by 5 is 10, so the mean for this set of data would be 10. Now, try to find mean on your own. Pause the video and try these 4 problems. When you are ready to start and check your answers, restart the video and see if you got them correct. Number 1. When we add up all the numbers in this example, we get 60. There are 9 items in the first example, so 60 divided by 9 is roughly 6.7. Number 2, adding up all the numbers in this set of data gives you 247. There are 7 items, so 247 divided by 7 roughly equals 35.3. Number 3, adding up all the numbers in this set of data gives you 165. There are 10 items in this set of data, so 165 divided by 10 equals 16.5. Number 4, adding up all the numbers in this set of data gives you 110. There are 10 items, so 110 divided by 10 equals 11. Our last measure of center is the median. Median represents the middle value of the data. The key term here is middle. First, we will list the values in order from least to greatest. This is the most important step. Second, we will determine how many numbers we have in our set of data. Third, if n is odd, one of the numbers in the data will be the median. If n is even, the median will be between two numbers of the data. Then we will finally determine the mean. Our first example is 2, 4, 7, 17, and 20. First, we need to check to see if they are in order from least to greatest. And they are, so we can move on to the next step. We will see how many values are in this set of data. There are 5. That is an odd number, so one of these numbers will actually be our median. Now, using the finger or mark off method, we will start with the smallest number and mark it off, and then go to the largest number and mark it off, and continue until we are only left with one number, 7. Since 7 is our number that we ended up with, it is the median. Now let's look at the next set of data, 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, and 20. First, we need to check to see if they are in order from least to greatest, and they are. Now we need to see how many numbers are in this set of data. There are 6. Since it is an even number, one of the numbers will not be our median. It will be between two of the numbers. So now, marking off from the least and then the greatest, and continuing until we only have 2 numbers left, we are left with 7 and 10. So we need to find the number that's between 7 and 10, which will be our median. First, we will add 7 and 10 together. 7 plus 10 gives us 17. Then we need to divide 17 in half. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Our median for this example would be 8.5. The median formula helps determine where the median is located. We would take n divided by 2, n standing for the number of values that we have, and adding it to 0.5. This will tell us where the median is located. Let's look at our first example. We had 5 numbers, 2, 4, 7, 17, and 20. So we need to plug this into the median formula and decide where our median will be located. 5 divided by 2 plus 0.5. 2.5 plus 0.5 equals 3. This means that our median will be located at the third number. So count over 1, 2, and 3. 7 will be our median. The second example that we looked at had 6 data points in our example. 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, and 20. So plugging it into our median formula, we have 6 divided by 2 plus 0.5. 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 0.5 gives us 3.5. This means that our median is located between the third and fourth value. So let's count to the third value, 1, 2, 3. So our median must be between 7 and 10. Now, pause the video and try to find the mean for each of these examples. Remember to make sure you put the data in order from least to greatest before you start. When you are finished, restart the video and check your answers. Number 1. When you put the numbers in order from least to greatest, it would go from 1 to 8. We have 9 numbers in this set of data, so we have an odd number. So one of the numbers will actually be our median. So crossing off from the smallest and the greatest and continuing until we get to just one value, we will have our median, 4. Number 2, first put the numbers in order from least to greatest. This time we have an even number of values, so the number will be between two numbers. Start by marking them off, the smallest, the greatest, and continuing until we just have two numbers left, 4 and 5. This means that our median must be between 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Number 3. This time we have an even number of values, an odd number of values. So one of these numbers will actually be our median. Starting again and marking off until you come to just one number, which is 4. 4 will be our median. Example number 4. We have an even set of numbers here, so our median will be between two numbers again. So start by marking off until you have two numbers left. 5 and 6 are our numbers, so our median must be between 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5. Now let's try to do mean, median, and mode with this set of data. Find the mean, median, and mode. Pause the video. When you are ready to check your answers, restart the video. The first one is the median. So we would first need to add up all of the numbers and divide by how many numbers we have. Adding up all of the numbers gives us 706. We have 26 items in this set of data, so 706 divided by 26 gives you 27.2. Next, we will find the median by making sure the numbers are in order from least to greatest. They are, so we can start by marking them off. When we are finished, we were left with 16 and 17. So our median must be between 16 and 17. 16 plus 17 divided by 2 gives us 16.5. And finally, the mode. No number appears more than one time, so there is no mode. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed mean, median, and mode. Thank you.